Welcome back to Quantreef.com. Bitcoin's trading right around 77,067, sitting almost exactly on session VWAP after pulling back from the highs. That's a genuinely interesting spot. Today we'll walk through liquidity, support and resistance, VWAP, Fibonacci, fair value gaps, positioning, and where this likely goes over the next several hours. Price is basically glued to session VWAP at 77,084, with the anchored VWAPs from the swing high and low sitting just above at 77,449 and 77,294. That cluster overhead is capping upside for now. Momentum reads neutral to slightly bearish on the 4-hour, trend structure score is strong on higher timeframes, but short-term price is failing to hold above value, which favors sellers in the immediate term. The liquidation data isn't showing clean pool sizes right now, but structurally the stop hunt risk flag is reading high around this level, which tells you resting orders are bunched close by on both sides. That's typical right under a swing high. Longs who bought the bounce have stops just below, and shorts who faded the top have theirs just above. Expect a probe in one direction to shake out weak hands before any real move develops. On the panel right now, resistance above is target 1 at 77,896, then target 2 at 79,559, and target 3 further out at 84,263. Below, support sits at the 1H swing low of 76,854, with the stop loss level at 76,260. Given price is drifting under VWAP, that swing low is the more likely first test, lose it and the read flips bearish toward the stop zone. There are no unfilled gaps above price right now, but below we've got 3 bullish fair value gaps stacked up, one near 76,236 to 75,786, another spanning 76,500 down to 73,400, and a third around 74,500. All unfilled, all magnets on a deeper pullback. On the fib side, price is sitting right on the 0.786 retracement at 76,960, which is acting as immediate support. Given how tight that fib confluence is, price is more likely to react to it first before any gap fill plays out. The card grades this neutral, with N printed at 84 and HTS at 62. Trend and structure at 81.5 and volume and liquidity at 87 are carrying the score, while macro regime, statistical volatility, and fib location all sit around 50 to 60 and are dragging it down. On positioning, the 4-hour taker split shows shorts at 58% versus longs at 42%, meaning aggressive selling has dominated recent flow. Shorts are more crowded here. With price wedged between VWAP resistance above and the 0.786 fib support below, the path of least resistance is a test of that 76,960 to 76,854 zone first. If sellers are already crowded there, as the taker split suggests, a sweep below could trigger a short squeeze back toward target 1 at 77,896. If that support fails outright, the fair value gaps down near 76,200 and 74,500 become realistic magnets. Bullish case confirms on reclaim of VWAP and a push through 77,896, invalidated below 76,260. Bearish case confirms on a clean break of 76,854, invalidated on a quick reclaim back above session VWAP. So we're sitting right at a decision point, and whichever side takes the next liquidity pool, that fib support or VWAP resistance, probably dictates the next few hours. If this kind of structured, multi-layer read is useful, give the video a like and subscribe. Quantreef.com runs this same 9-layer grade, probability, and liquidity breakdown across over 100 coins, with a 7-day trial available. This is for educational purposes only, not financial advice.